So there are a ton of different ways that you can modernize your home that are not going to take a lot of time or a lot of money. One really good way is to update your door handles. So we're going to remove these silver and brass handles and put in some new modern black ones. So your first step is to find the side of the door that has the screws, remove them, and take the knob off. So once both sides of your doorknob are off, you're going to remove the screws from your latch bolt and take that off also. So sometimes your doorknob has been on for a really long time, so you're gonna use the part of your knob that has the longer stem, put it in and just give it a push over. Once that's removed, you're gonna also wanna take off your latch strike because it's gonna come with a new matching one. So for your new strike, your screws should be aligned to fit in the exact same holes. Just simply put it on. So you're going to put your new latch in the exact same hole. It should align perfectly and mount your screws to the door. So you're now going to align your new knobs into the latch, and on the other side of the door, do the same thing. So the last step before you test it out, you're going to tighten the knob with the Allen key. And just like that, a couple minutes and your door feels so much more modern. Thanks so much for watching, and if there's any other home DIYs that you would like to learn, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe and visit Fix.com for more great videos. With Fix.com, you're handier than you think.